KTM SX E, two popular 2024 motorcycles. In the dynamic world of off-road motorcycles, the KTM SX E is making waves, electrifying the scene and earning its position as a popular choice among riders in 2024. Celebrated for its cutting-edge electric technology, nimble performance, and KTM's commitment to sustainable riding, the SX E stands as a symbol of the future of off-road biking, where eco-consciousness meets thrilling adventure. At the heart of the SX E2's appeal is its electric powertrain, delivering an electrifying off-road experience. KTM's dedication to embracing electric technology while maintaining the adrenaline-pumping performance synonymous with the brand is evident in the bike's design. The SX E2's electric motor provides instantaneous torque, making it a standout choice for riders seeking a clean, green, and powerful off-road machine. The design of the SX E reflects KTM's commitment to innovation and performance, featuring a lightweight chassis, advanced suspension, and a sleek, modern aesthetic. KTM's meticulous attention to detail ensures that the SX E not only performs exceptionally well off-road but also boasts a visually striking and purposeful design that resonates with riders who crave the thrill of electric-powered adventure. Technological innovation takes center stage in the SX E, featuring advanced features that redefine off-road riding. The bike incorporates a state-of-the-art electric motor, a lithium-ion battery pack, and a sophisticated energy management system. These components work in harmony to deliver a ride that is not only exhilarating but also eco-friendly, paving the way for a new era in off-road motorcycling. Sustainability is a key focus for KTM, and the SX E represents a significant step towards a greener future for off-road enthusiasts. With zero emissions and reduced environmental impact, the bike aligns with the growing demand for eco-conscious alternatives in the motorcycle industry. As a popular choice among riders embracing the future of off-road riding in 2024, the KTM SX E has become synonymous with electrifying performance and sustainable adventure. Its success lies in KTM's commitment to pushing the boundaries of off-road technology while maintaining the brand's legacy of delivering thrilling and high-performance motorcycles. In the ever-evolving landscape of motorcycles, the KTM SX E electrifies the off-road scene, gaining popularity as one of the most sought-after motorcycles in 2024. With its electric powertrain, innovative design, and KTM's dedication to sustainable riding, the SX E stands as a symbol of the future, where off-road enthusiasts can embrace the thrill of adventure without compromising on their commitment to a cleaner and greener planet.